Hello friends, welcome to the class Degrees of Comparison of Adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives are also words that describe a person, a place, a thing, or an event. Describing noun or a pronoun. Example: the boy is handsome. The girl is beautiful. Now, boy and girl are pronouns. Beautiful is adjective. For example, the pencil is long. The marker is longer than the pencil. The ruler is the longest among the three. Now, the word long, long in blue, and the second sentence er, and in the third est are in green and in red color. Now the pencil is long, there is no comparison, there is only a pencil and it is long. In the second sentence, there is a comparison between marker and a pencil, so the marker is longer than the pencil. And the third sentence is the ruler is the longest among the three. Longest is there is no marker, there is no pencil. If you have marker or pencil, amongst all these, the ruler is the longest. So, learning of long, longer, longest is called degrees of comparisons of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now, we'll learn about positive degree. The positive degree of comparison is used to state the quality of a person or a thing without comparing it with other person or things. The form of the adjective is not changed. Example: long, quiet, expensive, young. Now the positive degree is used to state the quality of a person. How is the quality of a person? Whether it is tall, whether it is fat, whether it is short. Okay, either thing, what type of thing it is. Is it expensive? Okay, so like that, we don't have any comparison of the person or a thing in the positive degree. So that form of the adjective cannot be changed, which is in positive form. Second is comparative degree. The comparative degree of comparison is used when two person or things are being compared. It expresses that a quality is present to a greater or lesser degree in one of the two persons or things being compared. Now, what is comparative degree here? Here it expresses the quality of the present situation. Okay, it compares between the two person or two things. What type of qualities do they have? Whether they are greater, whether they are lesser of a person or thing when it is being compared. Now, how to change comparative degrees from positive here? To form the comparative degree, er is added to one syllable adjectives. The word more or less is used with adjectives having 3 or more syllables. With 2 syllable adjectives, er or the word more or less is used. Now, you know what are syllables. Syllables are dividing the words. A word is divided into how many syllables? Now, example, we are using 1 syllable adjective. Er we are using to 1 syllable adjective, like quiet, quieter. Er we use that. If it is beautiful, we are dividing that word. If we divide that word beautiful, it becomes 4 syllables. How? Beautiful. It is 3 syllables. So if the word has more than 3 syllables, we use more beautiful. We don't use it as beautifuler, beautifulest. We don't use. So a word having more than 3 syllables, we use more or less before them. Example: long, longer. So long is 1 syllable, so we are using er. Quiet. So if you split quiet, q I it becomes 3 syllables, so more quiet. Expensive. Expensive is we can't write, so we are using expensive. So expensive word has 3 syllables: ex, pen, sive. There are three syllables, so less expensive or more expensive you can add for it. Young, younger. Young is one syllable, so we use er to that. Next is superlative degree. The superlative degree of comparison is used in comparing three or more persons or things. It expresses that the quality is possessed to the greatest or least degree by one of the person or thing included in the comparison. So superlative degree has a comparison of more or two or more things. It expresses the quality of the greatest or least degree by a person. So it expresses the superlatives. Superlatives is the greatest. Nothing is best than that. Okay. So we will also learn about irregular words here, what to be written in degrees of comparison. And whenever you use a superlative in a sentence, the definite article the is always used before them. So the greatest and est, as usual I told you, if there are two syllables we use est, if there are more than three syllables we use most. So we'll go with the examples. As I told you, the form of the superlative degree est is added to one syllable adjectives. The word most or least is used with adjectives having three or more syllables. With two syllable adjectives, as I told you, est is used before after two syllable words, and if they are more than three syllable words, most or least is being used before them. Example, we have seen in the last long, longer. Here we use longest in the superlative. Quite, it has three syllables, so we use more quite and most quite. Expensive has three syllables, less expensive or least expensive. Okay, more expensive, most expensive also you can use. Young has one syllable, so young, younger and youngest. More examples of this is big, bigger, biggest, shine, shiner, shinest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, simple, simpler and simplest. Nutritious has four syllables. New, tree, she, yes, there are four syllables. So we use more nutritious in comparative and most nutritious in superlative degree. Delicious also has D, li, she, yes, four syllables. So we use less delicious, least delicious. And you want more delicious, most delicious also you can use. Modest, mo, d, est. So there are three syllables here, so more than three syllables. More modest, most modest, respectful. There are three syllables here, so we use more respectful and most respectful in these sentences. There are few irregular adjectives in positive, comparative, superlative. So if it is good, we can't write gooder and goodest. Well, weller, wellest. It is wrong. So we write good or well. If we use in positive degree, we use good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Many or much can be added with more in comparative and most in superlative. Little, less, least. So I hope you have understood the concept of positive, comparative and superlative degrees, and enjoy this class, understand it, and for more information you can contact my number, as well as a recorded video I will be sending you with the examples. You can follow that. Okay, thank you.